Good day all, Anish from BlackBull Markets here. Over the weekend there was an important report released showing over $2 trillion in transactions flagged for money laundering across key institutional banks across the US and Europe. Big news as the markets open. If you see behind me, stocks are down big across Europe, over 3% in the UK, 3% in Germany and 3% in France. Deutsche Bank is down 7.5%. JPMorgan also down to 25-year lows. Similarly, the same with HSBC. So this banking crisis, if you were, is really leading the fall in sentiment for stocks across the globe, and this is now translating into the US stock market. As we head into the open, the Dow Jones is down over 500 points, Nasdaq also down 1.33%. Meanwhile, volatility is up and money is flowing back into the dollar. This is nothing new, however. We've already known that during the years of 2012 to 2019, there have been over $5 billion worth of fines on 9 key banks. So nothing new that we've really seen in terms of banking news. However, it is a big number, a big figure, $2 trillion across 20 years. And we could see this further continue into the US session. Let me just show you how US indices are lining up today. So this is against the dollar index. So the dollar index is this blue line here. It's up almost 0.5% in the trading day. Meanwhile, you can see key indices falling lower. These two flat lines represent the futures that are not yet open, but also about to open lower. We are seeing a bit of support, however, in key European indices. Let's see if these falls do continue. But meanwhile, we're looking at further gains in the US dollar index and falls to the downside in equities. So do stay tuned. This could be a short-term move to the downside with buyers looking to pick up through the week as more data comes out, especially from central banks. So do stay tuned. Do trade safe, especially if you're in stocks. Also, commodities are down, metals are down, bonds are down. Do trade accordingly, risk manage well. If you're in indice trades, look at managing or hedging with some FX pairs, perhaps look at the US dollar crosses, which are also gaining in strength today. Monday, always a difficult day to trade, so do keep it safe. All the best.